Hi guys, I'm Prashant and I'm the Python trainer out here at Basin Technologies. A lot number of times I'm being asked that yes, is Python good for the IT guys or the non-IT guys, something like that. In front of me there have been a lot of the non-IT guys coming up and they want to get into the IT field and they're just asking that yes, I am a guy from mechanical, I'm a guy from civil, I'm a guy from the other fields. Can I join the IT field by learning Python or not? I should say yes. If you want to get into the IT field, you can easily learn Python and you can easily join the IT field as a Python professional. Why? Python is very easy to learn and amongst the two languages which are more preferred for beginners, Python is one of them along with the C language. Along with the C language is a bit complicated in comparison to Python. If you just say with Python. Python as a first language you want to learn, Python is the best because Python is very easy. Why? Because in the case of Python, okay, if you just say like that, if you want to do any specific thing, or if you want to do some sort of automation, Python syntax is very easy to learn. Python syntax is very easy to understand, and you just need to write those things only which are just necessary. Python code is very easy to write. Python code is very easy to understand. Why I am saying so? Because the code is being read by the computer, but it needs to be maintained by the humans. Why? Because, see, if you write Java code, you need to have at least, say for example, that you need to have a lot of experience because Java codes are big. Java codes have got a lot of markers like the public, static, void, main, all those things. You need to understand what each of them are doing and you need to use them accordingly. In case of Python, you just need to write what you want to write along with the syntax is given. Like, say for example, if you're using a loop in the C language or C++ or the Java language, it's like for in the brackets I is equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, and then you need to write what are the things inside. In Python, it's like for I in that list. So the code in Python is very easy to understand. The code in Python is very easy to write. I will give you a very small example. In the last organization where I was working on the client side, over there I wrote a code for my client which was doing some backend automation. Over there, what had happened that yes, I wrote the code, I supported it for 1 month, and after 1 month, the people who are looking on the Python code, they are not Python programmers. They are normal shell programmers or Java programmers, but they are easily able to understand what I am trying to write in Python, what I am trying to say with the Python language. Python is so easy to understand. Python is so easy to understand that if you just throw the code in front of a person who doesn't know Python at all, who doesn't belong to IT field, he only knows how to read English. He will also understand at least 40 to 50% that yes, what I am trying to do with Python. So Python is very easy to learn. Python has got very simple syntax. The only thing you need is a very good logic. If you have a very good logic and if you get the right guidance with it, you can do whatever you want with Python. You can do everything. You can easily join any IT field, and Python is a great thing to begin with. Once you have done Python, if you want to go into the data science field, you need to know a bit of libraries, you need to know a bit of theory about data science. You can do all those things. If you want to be a developer, a full stack developer, then after Python, you just need to understand the data structures and the algorithms, and then you can know any front-end technologies related with Python like the Django and some sort of DB. And then you become a full stack developer. If you want to, so If you want to do like any sort of thing with Python, okay, Python is a great thing to begin with, and with Python you can do a lot of things. And lastly, I would say that yes, Python is nothing but a high-level programming language, a very high-level programming language which just requires a translator. The translator is known as the interpreter in this case, and it will do all the things which are necessary for the smooth working of the code. It just allows you to focus on the core functionality of the applications by taking care of the normal programming tasks. So, in my suggestion, Python is a great programming language to begin with. Python is great for starters. Python is great for even any non-IT guys, or even like the students for the class 10, class 8, class 12, all those things. All those guys, Python is very good for them. It's very easy to learn. It's very easy to grasp. It is very productive, and it has got a very extensive library support for each of the tasks you want to do with Python. So, if you want to start your IT career with Python, or if you want to start your IT career, Python is great. Python is great to start with. Python is great to learn. Python is very fun to learn. Okay, so over here I'll be stopping myself. Let's see you at Bits and Technologies. All the best.